Now what I want to do is I want to add a new track, voice and microphone. And I want to record. With that, I want to make sure that I have my narration up as well. Because of Screencastify, I'll just show you what it looks like and then I'll actually do it so you can see it afterwards. But I'll push start recording. But basically you can see it says mic, it has the R, and I can record something there. Now, because like I said, I'm filming and I'm also doing this, I'm going to do this separately. But again, so if this had something on it, I could just simply move it over to where the dip down is here. Okay. So I will see you in a second when I have recorded and read all of my snippets. Okay, welcome back. So fast forward here. So I took the time, like I showed you previously, to make sure that the fade outs line up with the audio that I've recorded here. So you can see that they kind of, if I zoom out here, it kind of looks like they each got their own little section here. So you have song, narration, right? A little bit more of the song, new song, narration, a little bit more of the song, song, narration, a little bit more of the song, and then last but not least, song, narration, a little bit more of the song. So just to give you kind of a quick idea here, let's listen to a little bit of it. Everything in Its Right Place by Radiohead. This song is the opening track to one of Radiohead's most profound albums, Kid A. I love Radiohead for their experimental use of sounds, colors, and textures in their music. The eerie suspense of the underlying repetitive rhythm provided by the keyboard provides movement in the song. Radiohead takes you on a journey, whether it's shredding through walls of sound or gently exploring a vast landscape. There's endless imagery. I recently saw Radiohead in concert, and it was one of the best shows I had ever attended. Whenever I listen to them, it brings me right back to that night. And it's right place, and it's right place, and it's right place, and it's right place. Yesterday I woke up sucking on lemon. Yesterday I woke up sucking. So you get the general idea. So again, kind of a fade in narrative, a little bit more of the song, fade out, and then the next song. So I'm going to make sure this is saved. We always want to make sure that we save our work. You can do two things with this. One, you're going to have to export it as an MP3 and submit it on Google Classroom, or you can just share it with me on Soundtrap and I can fill out Google Classroom for you. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, I'm back on my Soundtrap profile here, and this is my example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the three dots. I am going to download the file. You can do WAV or MP3. I'll just do MP3. And you'll see it downloads down here in the bottom left-hand corner. And again, I encourage you to check out other projects and examples that I have done on here for you. And I hope you guys find this project fun. something to reflect on. And I hope you've learned a little bit more about me, and I can't wait to learn a little bit more about you. Bye, guys.